Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, I'll show you how you can add a booking and how that booking automatically calculates in your overall bookings. So let me show you first something very useful, and this is a new tool that we're implementing as well. So if you go to the agents, and in the agents, you see here all the financial details here. And you can see right now in June, there is a total of 333,000 and 333. So that's the total amount that is being earned right now. So what we want to do is we want to add a new booking, and you will see that this amount will change as well. So let's show you that, and let's start with it right away. Imagine you have a booking. Let's add a new booking, and this booking is a hotel booking. You can see here, if you have sub-agents, you have here the option to add in the sub-agent as well. So it's more organized for yourself. So what you want to do is, for example, here, so we have, this is a customer, and the customer is called Jim, and the last name is Reyes, and we're going to put in some information from the customer, the email address. Please note, this is all fictional, so this customer does not exist. And I'm going to put in the phone number. And we have here this. And of course, what was it? It was a hotel only. So you can see here all the options that we have currently, and there's more. If you're scrolling, you can scroll down over for any option you need. And in this case, it's a hotel only, and it's Hong Kong. And the check-in date is 14 June, and checkout is 16 June. It's 3 days, 2 nights for 3 packs. And in here you can select the mode of payment. The customer was a walk-in, so the customer paid in cash, and the amount they paid is 7,500. And the hotel that they booked was the Hong Kong Bayview area hotel. And you can put it here. So this is the amount of payment. The total cost of the hotel was 6,000 pesos. There you are. So you can put in here some special requests if the customer had a special request. For example, customer wants non-smoking room. And just save this. So once you save this, instantly the booking will be added here. And you can see here Jim Reyes, Hong Kong for 3 packs. It's been added here right away. So if you click on this, you can see all the information here. And you can see here what was our cost, how much the customer paid, and our markups. And that's very useful. And of course, what more is, there's an option here for the booking to approve or disapprove. Imagine if you are the manager and you need to check bookings from your agents, you want to check them. So you can see all the booking details here. You can see all the financial details, and you can see every operator and hotel and all the options that the customer selected. And all of this you can check if the financials are correct. Once everything is correct, your job is to approve it. Once you approve this, you will see that the financial part here, let me show you this. If you go to agent, you will see here on the agent that this amount will start to change. It will match, it will add up the additional amount of 7,500 pesos. So let's do that. Let's click here on approve. You can see now once it's approved, let's refresh the page, and there you are. You can see instantly it starts to add up the total amount. And this is very useful because we understand that you want to track how many sales you make. You want to track what is the earning, what is the markups, and all these things are starting to come here step by step. And this is a complete overview of the entire year. This serves you a lot and makes it more easier to manage your finances within your business. And that's how CouponBet works. So if you're interested in CouponBet, go to couponbet.com and register for an account right away.